Hello, my name is Lawrence, and today I'm going to show you how to make an interactive piece for your web browser that you can stick on your website using itch.io. That's a good one to upload your HTMLs, because it's going to be HTML at the end of it. But yeah, so basically this is a tutorial. I don't know how long it's going to be. It could go on forever, so please bear with me while I go through step by step. I haven't made anything for it, so I'm gonna have to make all the stuff and come back at later dates and make it one part at a time, but I'll leave it all up together. But yeah, anyway, so let's get on with it. So I use Construct 3. It's a gaming engine, and it's good for making retro and new style games, but it's also good for interactive stuff also. It doesn't really take a lot of video. It likes to crash. They need to work on that, to be honest, and it doesn't like a lot of songs and long lengthy songs, because when I used to make the games, I used to put it all in one song, so it plays one after another, just level music. Or when I'm doing my interactive pieces, I used to use videos and it's too long. So yeah, so I like to work around that, but we'll get into that later. And yeah, so this is Construct 3. It's what I use. You're gonna have to subscribe. It's £13 or $11 to $10. Forgive me for my currency check, because I'm not really too sure. I know it's a couple pounds cheaper in dollars. So but you have to pay £13 or $10 to a month for the pleasure of using it. And you need it for your event sheet, which I'll get into later on. I won't explain that already. I already did a little test run and I mucked up the hard drive, so I had to do it again. But what's this now? Oh no, I'm sorry, it's all going weird. Okay, let's come back. Yeah, sorry about that. And yeah, so this is Construct 3. It's a gaming engine, and it's good for interactive stuff also. It's what I used for most of my interactive stuff on randomgas.com/boiler room. You can go there and find all my other interactive stuff that I made. And this is just to go along with it, and I thought I'd just record it each time I make a little bit and see where we go. So let's get on with it. So basically I already got something I want to use for it. It's a zoom and scroll for a map, because I want to use a map for this one. So I want zoom and scroll, and there was a little plugin I used before, or a little handy template I used before. But just in case you want to start new, you go to project, new. I'll call it test because I'm really not saving this. You keep it at landscape 108E landscape, or you could do retro style if you're doing games, but landscape or portrait. But I like landscape because there's going to be a map, so I want landscape for this. Keep it at the viewpoint 1920 by 1080. You can change it for smaller ones like 323. I don't know the actual. It's like 300 by 400 for a little tiny square of it, because apparently it blurs, but I don't really see no difference. And yeah, you keep it on landscape. Event sheet, you want the event sheet, and optimized for pixel art, which is something you should use in your games. This isn't a game, but I just like to keep it on anyway, because apparently is should be ticked, so I just leave it ticked, and you create, and then you got a new template or a new whatever you want to call it. I can't think of the word now. I was going to use a technical word, but yeah, anyway, this is the background, but like I said, you don't really need it, so because I'm going to leave the map, scroll and zoom in the link in the description on the first video, on this video actually. So I'll just load this. In fact, I'll show you how to copy and paste it. Okay, so this is the template where I got it from. I want to use the first section, just this section here that's highlighted. I already did it before, but I'm using two different hard drives, and I only got two holes to stick in, a mic and a hard drive for the recording. So I ain't got that many holes. I need to get one of them things, I can't think what adapters, that's what they're called. I need an adapter in my life. I need several holes, so they're all plugged in together. Anyway, that's more less than that even. So basically, with this open, you just highlight what you want to highlight. I highlighted till the pin. I highlighted the pin 1, but everything else, but after the pin 2 I didn't highlight. But you go to right click, and then you copy, and then you go back to, it looks like I need that after all. Let's start this again. Yeah, I'm doing the 7 wonders of the ancient world. I thought it was a good idea. Someone gave me the idea, and they said I should do it. I thought that's an actual good idea I could do, make it interactive and show you how to do it at the same time. So I thought I'd do that. Did I already go through? I already went through all this. So basically, just leave that as that. And yeah, you right click, copy, you go to that one, the fresh page, and you click on event sheet and you paste it. It will tell you all the things that you need to put on there, like it needs a mouse, so I'm going to put in a mouse. You go to the layout, you right click, insert object. It's going to tell you mouse, because you need a mouse. What other things are going to tell me? Pin 1. All these things you probably won't need to do, but just in case you want to copy and paste. If you're wondering how to copy and paste templates into your own pieces, this is how you do it. There ain't no other easy way to do it. And you go to objects, paste, pin 1, and you need to copy it again because I only copied the pin, and then card 1. And then copy and paste it again because I don't. Oh, it needs a browser. Okay, done it. Right, so let's save this a minute because I don't want to crash it. No, I like to save it as a single file because it's easy to get to and you can use it again if you want to. I also like to use the backup on Google Drive, but it doesn't save every now and then. This is more reliable, so I like to do a hard copy of it on my hard drive, which I'm just about to put on. Right, now that's saved because you want to save it. You want to save it as soon as you made the change, and it should be already set up. I'm gonna change it because I like to rename the layers and event sheets. This is an event sheet, so this will be main layout event sheet 1, just in case, and this is main layout main layout 1. And it should be, if you you're on that one, you could you can click on the main layout 1 on the top in the layout section, and you can go to the I meant the left hand side. You can go to the left hand side and you can right click underneath the event sheets, the second one, event sheet, the second one anyway, and then make sure it corresponds to the right event sheet. Like this one is main layout event sheet 1 because this is main layout 1, so they're both programmed together. So now it's all working together. It needs a picture. I haven't actually got a picture, but let's find the atlas. I need a good map. So basically this is I need a map, so I'm going to type in 3 word map. Now I've got to look for a suitable map, something that's got all the main countries and the names. Well, obviously they all got the countries in, but we're looking for the ones with the names on, so you know where you actually are. Not June time, that's expensive. Oh, what's this one? Let's have a look. Yeah, that's a suitable map. No logos, free map. So basically, I'll go to Google, I'll go to GIMP, and I'll make a fresh template, a fresh canvas, sorry. I use GIMP for all my stuff, actually. I don't use Photoshop, it takes ages. GIMP's quite reliable, so I use GIMP quite a lot. If you don't know what GIMP is, it's a free photoshopping software that is free to use. I can't think of the actual name now. Oh, we've done the wrong template size. It's a free open source program software that you can use. It's free to download and free to use for life. It's quite good. Anyway, but that's enough plugin. So I go to File, New, and pick a size. You want it the exact same size as your viewpoint. If you remember me putting the viewpoint in, it was 19, well, same as YouTube actually, 1920 by 1080, and press OK. You get that, a nice YouTube thingy, and then basically you right click, I right click, copy image, go to there, back to GIMP, press Ctrl V to paste it. It may take a while, but this one's going to be quick. Okay, and then new layer, right click on the layers and press new layer to get it into a new layer, and then you press shift, did I say control? I meant shift S to scale, and then you scale it to the right size, that same size as what you made it. Okay, now it's the same size, it still needs to be scaled just a little bit. I'm a bit pedantic. Make sure it's all scaled properly and there's no orange bits or background showing. It's just the picture, and then that's a bit too much. There we go, so we got the picture, and I'm going to export it now. You want to make those a different folders so you're organized properly, or you'll be in a mess trying to find the right image and stuff. So I like to make different folders, like this one under projects, interactive. The 7 wonders of the world. I already did files, so I'm gonna do main layout backgrounds. It doesn't matter if it's a JPEG or if it's PNG. It's better to be JPEG because it's less taxing on the space. Because if you use Itch.io, it's got to be under 1 gigabyte, which is quite a lot of space, but it's not enough if you want to really make something out of it. Keep them there for quite a while. Anyway, I'm just gonna map. Oops, I hate when this happens. Map, main layout. .jpeg. Takes quite a while. Oh, there it is in the background. Export. and then go back to constructs. Which one was it? I think it's this one. And then you right click, you go to the section, you go to the layout section and you right click and you insert new object, scroll to sprite. Sprite is all your actual characters, just everything you add into it is a sprite except for tile backgrounds, but I won't be using tile backgrounds. Oops. Let's quickly add this before it does a flip. And I go to the second one, which opens up the tab, not a tab but a window, and scroll to where I saved it, and it should fit. Basically, if you can see the line, there's a line that starts there, goes all the way over there, up to there. You want to fill that hole. It should just be the right size, so you can reshape it just a little bit to bring it in a bit. You don't want it over, you want it hanging over, but you don't want to be zoomed in. You just want to be perfectly, it should be the perfect size to fit into the actual canvas. But that's your viewpoint. This is your screen. If you didn't know what a viewpoint is, it's the screen. And I'm gonna play it a minute and see what we got. Sometimes you might have to restart it, like now it says failed, but don't worry, it will start. If you restart it, it should start again. It's a bit dodgy. Okay, now I can right click on the mouse and zoom in. Drag it along, up and down. See, it's good, isn't it? Well, I'm not finished yet. Oh yeah, you can right click on the mouse to zoom out on the mouse. Clicky on the scrolly, not the buttons, but the scroll up and down. But you right click to zoom in. Click on the mouse, scroll to zoom out, drag it. But no, I'm not done yet, not by a long shot. This is just a template. So basically, I'll see you next time for the next bit.